Let's get this air box off. And typical fashion, the carburetor is plastic. There we go. Take the throttle cable off. And all set. Okay. Let's compare them. There we go. I think it's good. All right. Put that wire back on. One pull!